Hey everyone, today we'll be looking at the Gerber FlatIron folding knives available at KnifeCenter.com. Gerber has made a unique addition to their line of folding knives with the FlatIron, putting a cleaver-style blade into a compact, affordable folding package. What jumps out at us about the FlatIron is the rugged look and feel of this knife with a build quality to match. They feature a 3.8-inch cleaver-style blade that is made of a 7CR 17 MLV stainless steel and a stone washed finish. The overall length open is 8.5 inches, and these folding knives fit very well in the hand. They open via a thumb hole on the blade for a very controllable deployment and feature a sturdy frame lock design. The FlatIron series also features an extra deep finger choil that allows you to choke up on the blade. And the reverse curvature of the knife spine protects your knuckles, adding tremendous control and precision while cutting or chopping. The Gerber FlatIron comes in a Tan G10 or a Black Anodized Aluminum face scale, and the back is a stone washed finish that matches the blade. The pocket clip is placed in the tip up, right side carry for easy access for anybody who wants to use it as an everyday carry. Coming in at $30 or $35 depending on the handle selected, these are an affordable option for anyone looking to add one of these to their outdoor camping gear or EDC rotation. That about wraps up our look at the Gerber FlatIron Cleaver available at KnifeCenter.com. We'll have a link in the description below for you to learn more about this knife, and if you have any questions regarding the FlatIron, feel free to leave it in the comments below. To see more of our knife and tactical gear related content, like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the original and largest online catalog of cutlery, KnifeCenter.com. Check back often for updates on any deals we might be running on the best knives and tools on the web.